Day 2 of oatmeal. You'll notice that Brian has a new ride. I mean a new chair. It's a fancy chair. The chair fairy brought it. What do you think of the new chair, Brian? It's pretty good, huh? Yeah, it is. How's the mom like it?
It's good.
Better than being standing up, huh?
Yeah,
We can lower it too. Woo. Brian exercised extreme patience. His dad was putting it together just 2 minutes before food. Yeah. I know. That's good stuff, huh?
so delicious. Oh, mommy, too long. Oopsie.
Let's get a close-up of that. Oh. He says, I don't taste the brown sugar I ordered.
It's low calories, baby. That's why, no sugar. It's good, eh? It's good. Oh, mommy, that was a beautiful spoon. You're an expert, sweetie. Un experto. Ya eres un experto.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
Did you swallow?
You need to swallow, bud.
Yep.
Don't save it for later.
Look at his toesies.
Ooh.
Look at his toesies together. Sorry. Hey.
Get up close on the big toe. Look at the big toe. Ooh.
Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. Mmm. Yeah, but you need to eat it as we class. Swallow.
It's good stuff, huh?
Yeah, but no sugar, no raisins, no butter, no nothing. Mmm. Hi, your daddy. Hi, your daddy. It's good, hey? You like it now? Better than yesterday? Mm. Mm. Like a little bird with his mouth open, waiting for the food. Como un pajarito con la boca abierta, esperando por su comida. Oops. Wow, wow, wow. Mm. Good, super boy. Good, Brian. Good. Oh, wow.
Oopsie.
I think it was the chair,
Some
Daddy.
sound effects.
Oh, wow, Brian. You are pretty hungry.
Kept me waiting. Need to swallow, buddy. Oopsie.
Oopsie, Mommy did
Oopsie.
something there. Shoot.
Oops.
Shoot.
Zoom in on that. That's washable. I'm not sure I want to take it apart.
I know. It's clean. Okay.
It's got a hole in it.
I don't know. Oh, God.
Oopsie. Still hungry?
No more? A
Oh,
little
yeah.
more. A little more. Ah, 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 ah.
Oh. Oh. Good stuff, huh? Tasty. It's better when you swallow it. Oh, this is full.
Oh, yes, I'm tired.
Oh.
I don't like to swallow.
It's good, huh? It's pretty good. Okay, but you gotta keep it in today. Oops. I wasn't paying attention. I was just looking at your forehead. That was an up-close shot of his forehead. Yeah.
Oh, daddy, daddy, daddy. Swallow, swallow, swallow.
Oh. Almost finished.
Wow, Brian, you did pretty good today.
Almost finished. Oh.
Oopsie.
Almost finished. We got a rabbit. I'm
Uh-huh.
going to zoom out to the rabbit over here. We'll go back to the action in just a moment. This is in the courtyard.
Yep.
A rabbit right over there.
Wow.
Hopefully they don't have a nest right in there, but anyway, that's the rabbit.